Why you always in a mode? Fucking around up to brain on. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with the view. Oh my god, why is shawty tryna test me? Turned up in the back of the jet stream. Can be good, but she trying to arrest me. Lying to impress me, dying to forget me. I can keep singing all my songs for ya. You keep boring and it goes on and on. Can't seem to figure out what's wrong with ya. Checking your temperature thermometer. Seems like lately your call go crazy. Why you always in a mood? Fucking around up to brain on. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in a mood? Fucking around up to brain on. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Coco no Chanel, super pretty, chillin' body, she just she can tell. Make it feel like I'm from heaven, but I still put out the love. What's your body, well, what's your rock, the way that I rock. Realize they ain't made me well. Told her to call my phone with all that nice shit. Double C's on the back, all of the acid. Getting to me right now is highly likely, cause I still remember the days when people like you don't like me. Seems like lately your call go crazy. Why you always in a mood? Fucking around up to brain on. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in a mood? Fucking around up to brain on. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but tryna play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view.
Most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights out and sleep. Now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed. Run it back up in the weed. Yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me. I got back on my feet. Now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights out and sleep. Now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed. Run it back up in the weed. Yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me. I got back on my feet. Now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets. Came out the streets with a vision. I had to get it. I really got money. Now none of it fishing. And my niggas winning, now that on me and ain't going back. People be starving, want you to start with them. Most people want it, don't wanna go get it. I'm never hungry on me and like 50. I'm never talking unless it's by fingers. Foot on the pedal, taking the game to a whole nother level. I'm coming up so they scared of me. Life tried to bury me, came out the mud with a shovel. Head on a swivel like Mayweather. I'm going up like it's Mayweather. I'm blowing up, I'm going up. My people say that they so proud of me. I'm growing up, yeah, yeah. That shit crazy, man. Nigga was down a year ago. A lot of people don't know my story. I'm just glad I'm here to tell it. Cause I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights out and sleep. Now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed. Run it back up in the weed. Yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me. I got back on my feet. Now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets. Remember them long nights? It was me and my dog. Now we taking them long flights. Just me and my dog. Remember when nobody called to check on the nigga? Now I'm really popping when I hit the mall. I blow me a check on the bitches. Don't fuck with you haters. You talking best talk with your chest, little nigga. Check yourself out. Put one in your chest, little nigga. They wanted to smoke. Now they talk out their neck to a nigga. Gotta stay woke. They ain't catching me slipping. Never go broke down my way to riches. Used to dream about the way that I'm living. Look up at the sky and thank God that I made it. Was down in the streets and came out with a saving. The money I'm craving, but I'm never changing. Down on my ass, the Lord put a pin on my hand and said this is my blessing. So I'ma keep going no matter what happens. Stay humble, can't fall into trapping. Can't give it up, I'm never tapping. Stay rid of my niggas, I'm never capping. Was locked in them chains, now I'm finally free. I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights out and sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed. Yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet. Now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet. Now they don't wanna be. Cause I came out the streets. Remember I was sleeping in a two-door. Now I'm in the whip with 2 hoes. I'm never coming last like Pluto. I'm going #1 like Uno. Had to go ghost, I was moving in silence. When I was broke, had to sleep in garages. Niggas ain't think I was going end up popping. I got so fly, I'ma need me a pilot. I got a flex, yeah, I got a flex. Yeah, I got a flex, I got a flex. Yeah, I got a flex. Had a shit on my ex, I got a flex. Yeah, I got a flex. Yeah, I got a flex, I got a flex. Had to give me a bag and go run up a check. Yeah, I gotta shine for all of them time that I couldn't afford it. Step in the spot with a new pair of Jordans. Yeah, whatever I want, I pay cash.